Welcome to the babies collection. Now we will sequence the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What are the missing numbers? Two, 4, 5. What are the missing numbers? Seven, 9, 10. What are the missing numbers? Eleven, 13, 15. What are the missing numbers? Seventeen, 18, 20. What are the missing numbers? 23, 25, 26. What are the missing numbers? Twenty-five, 27, 28. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.